Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting essentials in place. Install SIM Dashboard on your mobile device, then install the SIM Dashboard server on the PC. Next, make sure Ets2 has the telemetry mod enabled so the game sends data out. Without telemetry, nothing updates. Once done, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network or use USB tethering for a direct link, because consistent network addressing prevents dropouts. Finally, launch the server app on the PC and note the IP address it displays for the next step. Now you configure the bridge between game and dashboard. Open SIM Dashboard server on the PC, set the listening port, typically 25,555, and allow the program through the Windows firewall so packets flow. If your Ets2 version needs manual telemetry installation, copy the mod files into document/Euro Truck Simulator 2, then restart the game. Start Ets2 and check the telemetry indicator. Once it's active, enter the server IP and port into the mobile app so the client knows where to. Finish by calibrating the dashboard layout and mapping any inputs. Save a profile so you can reload settings quickly. Make sure to test latency. If Wi-Fi is choppy, use USB tethering or a phone hotspot for a more stable link. Once everything is aligned, load a quick drive in Ets2 and watch the dashboard update live. If data fails to appear, check the server IP and port on the client, confirm firewall rules, verify telemetry mod is in the correct folder, and restart both the game and server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.